All right, give it a try. Nothing?
No.
Give it a couple let it charge for a couple seconds.
We cranked it up like 3 other times on somebody's jumper and it worked right away. And then we hit the trim and then it shut off.
Try it again.
Are you sure I can't say something?
We're good. We're good, guys.
Do you happen to know why it would be shutting off? The motor will be running and we'll hit the trim and it'll shut off.
It's like
It sounds like a short.
That's what I
It's what it's doing is that's what it sounds like. Why don't you get the trim down? Are you leaving now or?
See if it'll trim down right now.
It's stalled?
Shut off.
All right, trim it down. Will it
No, and then now it won't like now it's off. Yeah.
Hey, is this your wife?
This is the wife, yes.
I'm Chris. Nice to
I know, but on the jumpers like
All right, when we hook it up, trim it down first,
And then start it.
and then start it, and then I would recommend you head back to wherever you're going and don't. No, not at all. Nikolai had like 3 jobs down in. No, he's on Scout right now.
In Titusville.
All right, try it again. Yeah, okay, trim it down. Go ahead and start. All right,
We're not gonna touch the
leave it running. Don't, not even by accident. Now,
we did like multiple times. And it shut itself
yeah.
off.
Now, here's the deal. If you stall out there and I got to come back, then I got to. It's.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll definitely call you though.
All right. Where are you? Which way are you headed?
We're at swoop site.
To where?
Swoop site.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was going slow that way anyway. If you want to go now, I'll just follow you down.
We have to wait because my girlfriend and her friend are out with my brother right now, so we have to wait.
All right.
Thank you.
I appreciate it a lot. Thank you.
So get her life jacket on and roll out of here.
All right, sir.
Be safe. Give me a
Oh,
holler if you need
hey,
me.
tomorrow, if you have any jobs tomorrow, just there's a, I don't know if you've been down there, there's a dredge down there.
Yep.
And I think the green and red marker that marks the intersection is off station.
Okay.
Because I know it's low tide, but when I went by it, it dropped down to like 3 feet all of
Really?
a sudden. Yeah.
We're
yeah.
down past South Causeway?
No, right up at the intersection.
Oh, up around this back
Yeah,
side of 18A?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I came in through
Yeah.
the front side, but we're going to leave this way because it's windy over there.
Yeah.
So my middle one's cold. She jumped in the water, so she's about to fall in as it is.
Why are you still here? Why is he doing this?
The battery died.
You know what I think? I'm on here.
Blackjack, Brian, if you get a chance and you drive past that boat, you were leaving, text me a picture picture of it, the one up there by Gum Hatch. Yeah, we already passed it. We're over by TATA. Trying to hurry up and get over there. Another job. No worries.
One hour later.
Give me a minute to get set up.
Oh, that one's gonna hit you. Break the rails.
All right, go ahead. Hook this to the bow eye there. Yep.
What time is it? We're gonna start the clock.
No, actually, the clock started when they called me. She hooked?
Yeah.
Okay, do me a favor. Give me a push off. As soon as this guy gets out, let me get out here.
Hold on.
Just hop on and if sit as many of you towards the back as possible. No, leave the motor down and leave it straight. Oh, if you want to trim it up right now, if it's in the sand, but once we get going, put it down and have it straight.
Okay.
So it'll be like a rudder. Now, where are you guys headed?
Grandview.
No, but
Oh, wait, you gotta, oh, that's me, never mind.
Bethune Point.
It's been a long, okay, when we get up there, I'll pull you up alongside, because I've never been in there before, so.
That's not wrong.
Okay, if you have, go ahead and put your motor down and straight if you could.